In this demonstration, you're going to learn how to navigate within the ART ELE workspace. The ART ELE server workspace is used by project administrators, content authors, and content reviewers to manage e-learning content for all phases of the e-learning content lifecycle. Starting at the top of the screen, the top banner provides access to search functionality, allowing you to execute a quick or advanced search using one or more words or a document type. Directly below the banner is the toolbar. The toolbar is used to assist in product navigation. There are three categories within the toolbar: Projects, Up, and Home. The Projects icon is used to access your list of projects and all associated project actions. The Up toolbar icon takes you to the last page viewed. The Up icon is recommended in place of your browser back button. The Home toolbar icon takes you directly to the dashboard. The dashboard is your personal area customized using widgets. Widgets provide a quick snapshot of the content or information that is most relevant to you. Shown here, there are several widgets, including My Projects, My Tasks, My Alerts, and an Assessment Performance Report. The left menu provides access to all server features. The exact menu items will vary based on your location in the system and your access level. This demonstration provided a quick summary of the ART ELE server workspace user interface. You will become proficient in navigating the interface as you progress through this training course.